Hi, I'm Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and welcome to our in-depth overview of the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, the aerial photography and videography focused drone from DJI. This powerhouse drone is designed for both professional filmmakers, photographers, and serious enthusiasts. With its advanced technology, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine offers unmatched performance, exceptional image quality, and versatile shooting capabilities. At first glance, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to transport while still delivering top quality. Weighing in at just under 900 grams, it's lightweight enough for extended flights, but sturdy enough to withstand varying conditions. Equipped with a dual camera system, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine features a Hasselblad camera delivering stunning 20MP stills and 5.1K video resolution at up to 50 FPS. This ensures that every detail is captured with breathtaking clarity. The adjustable aperture of f2.8 and f11 provides incredible versatility in various lighting scenarios, while advanced HDR capabilities enhance color accuracy and dynamic range. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro Cine is its improved OcuSync 3.0 transmission technology, offering a range of up to 15 kilometers. This ensures a stable connection, allowing for real-time 1080p video feed directly to your remote controller. With the DJI Fly app, users can access an array of intelligent flight modes and editing features, making it easier than ever to create cinematic masterpieces on the go. Features like Master Shots and Focus Track allow the Mavic 3 Pro Cine to autonomously create complex shots, letting you focus on your creative vision without worrying about piloting. Powered by an impressive battery, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine can fly for up to 46 minutes on a single charge, providing ample time for capturing the perfect shot. In addition to its incredible flight time, the drone's low light capability ensures stunning performance even in challenging conditions, making it the perfect companion for twilight shoots. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine is more than just a drone. It's a creative tool that empowers filmmakers to elevate their storytelling. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this drone opens up a world of possibilities. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.